Japan, Japanese nouns for beginner. Ki, ki. It means tree. Ki, ki. Hi, hi. It means fire. Hi, hi. Me, me. It means eye. Me, me. Ha, ha. It means teeth. Ha, ha. Te, te. It means hand. Te, te. Ki, hi. Me, ha, te. Now we know 5 words. Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. How do you say fire in Japanese? A. Hi. B. Ki. C. Te. The answer is A. Hi. Number 2. How do you say I in Japanese? A. Ha. B. Me. C. Ki. The answer is B. Me. Number 3. How do you say hand in Japanese? A. Ki. B. Ha. C. Te. The answer is she. Te. Great! Let's move on. E. E. It means picture. E. E. I. I. It means stomach. I. I. Su. Su. It means vinegar. Su. Su. Ka. Ka. It means mosquito. Ka. Ka. Chi. Chi. It means blood. Chi. Chi. E. I. Su. Ka. Chi. Now we know 10 words. Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. How do you say picture in Japanese? A. Su. B. Ki. C. E. The answer is she. E. Number 2. How do you say vinegar in Japanese? A. Chi. B. Su. C. Ka. The answer is B. Su. Number 3. How do you say mosquito in Japanese? A. Te. B. E. C. Ka. The answer is she. Ka. Great! We have a fun and good news to you. My new coloring book is launched at Amazon.com to the world. The title is Kawaii Japan Trip by Very Kawaii Club. This coloring book will make you imagine you are traveling in Japan by coloring in your room or anywhere you like. Coloring is a healthy way to relax and relieve stress. Coloring can be a great way to enjoy this cold winter in your room with your favorite hot drinks. Let's enjoy your creativity with Kawaii Japan trip. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the good button. See you next video. またねー。